I'm Mindy Lockard, and today on Market of Choice Gracious Kitchen, we are embracing all things summer with a few of my favorite make and take refrigerator staples that are perfect to grab and go or to pop into a tote and take for a picnic. As a mom of two busy teenage daughters, I am always looking for ways to disconnect from devices and reconnect as a family. And one way we do that is with our traditional Wednesday night music in the park. And one way that I do and make this really super easy is with my soup and salad to-go jars. And so today I'm going to be showing you how we make those to take them in a snap. First, we are going to do our soup jars. So what we're using is 16-ounce jars, and this recipe makes for 6. We're just going to assemble the soup directly into each of the jars. Now we're going to start with our vegetables first because when we add the liquid, if it starts to get close to the top, we want to make sure that it doesn't spill over and make a mess. So we are first going to add 1/4 cup of cucumber to each of the jars, followed by 1/2 cup of onion, 1/4 cup of tomatoes, and then we're going to add the peppers. Now the beautiful thing about gazpacho is that the recipe doesn't have to be precise. You're really just trying to get in as many delicious and nutritious fresh veggies as possible. So we want to fill the jars about 3/4 of a way full of veggies. Now we're going to add the liquid ingredients. 1/2 cup of tomato juice. I like to use a garden variety of tomato juice so it has other veggies in it that provide a different flavor. But again, this is up to you. Then we add 1/4 cup of tomato soup and then a tablespoon of an Italian dressing. And this brings some really delicious spices to the soup. Finally, we're going to add 1/2 tablespoon of fresh squeezed lemon juice and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic. Now you can use minced garlic or I like to press my own. We're going to put all of these ingredients into the jar, put on the top and shake. The shaking process is also really fun for your kids. You just want to make sure that the tops are sealed tightly. Shaking it is going to get all of those juices and flavors together, and after you shake them, you just pop them in the refrigerator, and now we're going to make our salad jars. We are going to whip up what I call whatever in your refrigerator pasta salad. Here we have some vegetables, I have some meats, string cheese, and then some tomatoes and some olives. And this is how we're going to do it. We just take some already cooked pasta, and what we do is we just basically take all of our veggies, meats and cheese, and we just toss it in the bowl with some Italian dressing. Then we just fill the jars. Again, this is a great thing for your kids to do to help with this process. Usually we'll make about 6 to 12 of these jars to have on hand. These jars are great for lunches, and they're also perfect for our picnics. And then just like we did with our gazpacho, we just pop the lids on them and we put them in the refrigerator to chill. And there we have our soup and salad to-go jars, something that will not only help you connect with your family in the kitchen, but in the park as well.